Hi guys, welcome to Data Pre-Processing. I am Soundarya S. BCA 5th semester Maharani Science College for Human, Mysore. Today I am talking about data pre-processing. We learning about today's video data pre-processing steps, data mining and machine learning algorithms. So we'll be understanding the topics are what is data pre-processing and why it's important, and we'll be also discussing about data pre-processing tasks. Let's begin with why is data pre-processing important. Data in the real world is dirty. It has consistency, it has noisy, it has missing values. And it's because coming from large set of different sources of data. When I say data mining and supplied very large data, probably by a out data mirth. That means the data coming from multiple sources and we are applying combine those data and may results into the dirty data and incomplete data. Missing attribute values lack of certain attribute of interest or containing only agility data, which may result poor decision making and inappropriate results may apply the machine's learning algorithms. Next one, noisy data. Noisy data means while data entry as done over due to the programmatical hardware failure, noisy values generated in the attributes. And the example is given the salary attribute and negative value. This may result into again the inconsistent and inaccurate machine learning algorithm results. And we have also inconsistent data which can because poor programming skills of the programmer are due to and again some other reasons. So the examples given like age is 42 and not supporting that birthday days. Sometimes entry of the birthday days in different formats ratings aren't given the 1 2 3 or ABC together, which can lead to lot of confusion when apply the machine. We apply the machine learning algorithms, and when we say that these confusions arise show. So we may say that there is no qualitative mining result can be achieved and in order achieve. Qualitative decisions we need to qualitative data. Duplicate or missing value many too in misleading statistics. So the data preparation, the cleaning transformation comprises majority of data mining work which is almost 90%. So this why it's important and everybody who's trying to career data mining and this understand focus to more on the data pre-processing tasks. Even if used to this video, prepare data mining exams. Data pre-processing include part of your studies. So it is glad important. Let us understand what is data pre-processing. The overall process of making data more suitable for data mining or machine learning is known as data pre-processing. It includes several tasks employed in the process to make data more relevant to the user and algorithm. And task we are mentioning which includes data pre-processing tasks, data mining tasks, data cleaning, data reduction, data discretization. This is the set of data pre-processing tasks which is applied to data after data warehouses have been supplied with applying with all algorithms, and this does show that we have qualitative data at end of the processes to work with the data mining and machine learning algorithms. So this is data pre-processing tasks. And the last one is references. In studies, Bailey D. 1999 Data Preparation for Data Mining. Morgan Kaufman Publishers, Los Altos, California. Chico, December 2017. 10 quick tips for machine learning in computational biology. For biodata mining, 10 is to 35. Another one in Al-Sadi Sauda and Baya Wisdom 2017. Review of data pre-processing techniques in data mining, Journal of Engineering and Applied Sciences. Thank you.